Hello everyone, this is Silas Farzami, a licensed real estate broker and mortgage broker here in Greater Toronto area and surrounding city. Today I want to warn you about a hidden trap that is costing many homeowners and buyers in Greater Toronto area tens of thousands of dollars. It is not just about the home prices or interest rates. It is about making the wrong move at the wrong time or without the right advice. Let me give you 3 real examples I have seen in the last few weeks. One client overpaid by $50,000 because they fell in love with a home and rushed their offer without checking fair value or better financing. Another refinanced with a major bank but did not compare broker options. They got stuck in a 5-year fixed sale with a huge penalty which could have been avoided. And the third one, family waited too long hoping prices would fall. The market rebounded and now their monthly payment is $400 more than it could have been. These are common mistakes and completely avoidable. That's why I always say, get the full picture before making any move. My job is here to help you buy smart, choose the right mortgage, time your decision based on the facts, not the fear. I offer free consultation to help you understand your options, no pressure, just value. Call or text me today. A 20-minute chat could save you years of regret. My telephone number is 416-992-8043. My website, homesaletoronto.ca. Please subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.